man, what's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Nazi, back with another video, man. Hey man, today, man, we got a good video, but we got some downsides to that video, so y'all stay tuned. We gonna start off the video by saying, man, make sure y'all get y'all boy to 500 subscribers, man. I'm right there, man, you know what I'm saying? So go ahead and click that like button, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Make sure your boy videos get out there, you know what I'm saying, to the general public. Y'all see the car back there, it's a little dirty, but you know what I'm saying, we always take care of that. We got a little, I don't know what it is, it's like a car meet slash, they said some shit about everybody supposed to be in pajamas, so we gonna see what that's about. I think it's some shit for the fam, I don't know, but we probably gonna be attending that. That shit started at like 8 tonight, so it's gonna be some night footage for y'all. And I got some other stuff to show y'all about the car that ain't nobody seen yet, because I ain't let nobody see yet. I've been pretty upset about it, but it is what it is. But that leads us to the good part of this video, because I'm gonna show y'all how we gonna fix that issue. So I'm about to show y'all exactly what the issue is. Let this thing warm up for a second, and then I'm gonna show y'all exactly what the issue is. And it hurts to hear this, but yeah, man, when y'all hear it, y'all gonna be like, God damn. Same thing I said, it is what it is, but that's how we get to the next point, right? That's how we get to where we going. So I'm gonna let the car warm up for a second, and then I'm gonna let y'all hear what the bad news is. Car sound good though, right now. Alright y'all, so now that the car is warmed up, man, I don't know if y'all can already hear what the issue is, but we just gonna go ahead and not sure if y'all can hear it. Hold on. Very close. Can y'all hear that? Y'all can hear what that is, y'all. That is what you call a rod knock. So it's not extremely bad, but it is a rod knock. So if y'all don't know what that is, don't look it up. It's not what you want your car to have. But in my situation, I'm not gonna say it's a good thing, but I'm gonna show y'all why I'm not really sad about the situation. So this isn't something that I brought to the channel. You get what I'm saying? I haven't been hiding from y'all, bro, but eventually y'all was gonna get the video. So currently right now, man, if I can get this out, we're going for a about a 900 horsepower setup for the GTR. So I got everything to rebuild the whole motor. I am missing a couple things in my head studs right there. I'm missing a couple things, but everything should be coming in here soon. The car is going to Midwest Skyline, so we got the Turbo Smart 60 mil wastegate right there, as y'all can see. Got here, move this out the way. I believe this is the exhaust portion of my turbo. Yep, so that's the rear end of my turbo. So we're going with a I got a 73, 75 PSR turbo, big single boys. Right here, this is my fuel pump. We're going with 3 fuel pumps. Got some injectors there, but that's not what we're using. Let me see. So yeah, we got the hog tech, so we got the 2500. I'll open that up for y'all right quick so I can see. So yeah, man, this is basically just me updating y'all on what's going on with the build. I haven't made a video even talking about the build since I decided to go with what I was doing. But yeah, man. Some of this stuff I don't even know what it is. I'm trying to get to the good stuff. At the bottom we got our stroker kit down there, but this is the fuel pump, or not the fuel pump, I'm sorry, the oil pump. We're gonna take that out. So y'all, there it is. If y'all don't know about RBs, this is one of the first things that goes out on RBs is the oil pump. So I think what happens is the gears crack in the inside. It doesn't allow oil to pump to the motor, so that leaves oil starvation and your motor goes boom, which is sort of kind of on the lines of what my motor's on its way to doing. But it's all good because, like I said, we're gonna get the whole motor rebuilt. So let's move this out the way. So right here, I'm not gonna take this whole thing out, but this is my stroker kit. So I got the camshaft right there, and it's a 2.9 stroker from Brian Crower, however you say his name. Sorry if I just butchered that man's name like that, but BC 2.9 stroker kit. So that's how we're moving on that. I got pistons, bearings, all that shit. We're not gonna get into that. Let's see what's in this box here. Hey y'all, so this full race a Tesla controller for the four-wheel drive system. So with this, you'll be able to basically tell the car how much of the front-wheel drive system you want to work, and you can turn it all the way off. You can make it two-wheel drive if you want to. So that's cool. So we'll be able to operate it, give y'all some burnouts, whatever the case may be. Warm up those tires a little bit. Let's see what we got next. So right here, we got the Ready oil sump. We need that. So we're gonna add more oil to the motor. You know what I'm saying? So that we don't have any type of oil starvation issues. As long as we got that out the way, man, we shouldn't have to worry about much. So this is what y'all all probably been waiting for. Y'all wanna kind of see the turbo. If y'all got me on Instagram, then y'all probably already have seen it. So here's the turbo, man. So we got a 7375 PSR turbo, big single. As y'all can see, this turbo has a little secret to it. It has the T51R mod as well. Y'all can see the back portion of it. And then, like I showed y'all before over there, I have the rear exhaust housing to it as well. But that's probably the biggest part of the whole thing. I got a 6-boost manifold down there as well. I don't feel like getting that out because the box is all taped up. But yeah, we do have that down there. I got a couple more other things that will be going on the car, like, you know, small shit like boost controller, steering pump, all that type of issue. But yeah, man, so that's the build. Got all the boxes in here. The car is going to be going down to Nebraska around the ending of September. So we're in September now. Time is flew. So yeah, the car's going to be going on there. They'll be starting on it, and the car should be ready sometime around like January, February. So 900 horsepower build, man. Real happy to get the car down there. Real excited. We're going to do tons of videos while I'm down there. So that should be fun. So like I said, man, I am kind of bumming about the car with the whole rod knot situation. I honestly don't really know how it happened. I keep fresh oil. I got an oil bottle actually right there. I keep fresh oil in the car. Always change the oil, always checking the oil. But RBs, they always have an oil starvation issue. And you know, if you don't attack that issue by doing something that has to do with oil, like the oil pump that I just showed y'all with the spline gear, it will result in some type of oil failure. So I guess mine just had to be a rod knock or something of that sort. But I got a couple more things. So I got a whole box over here. Full of parts. Some of these parts will be going down with me as well. I got a Midori Subi AC kit as well that'll be put on the car. So you know your boy gotta have that AC. You know what I'm saying? Your boy gotta have that AC, man. It's hot out here. I got a brand new, I think it's a Gretty radiator. So that'll be going on the car as well. The coilover already got put on the car. I got a couple more things up there. My power steering. I didn't show y'all my power steering pump. My power steering pump did come in. Like I said, the car got a long way to go, y'all. Y'all see I got speakers up there for the car. There's more shit in some of these boxes that I'm probably forgetting about, but yeah, man. So the whole motor will be built. Got pistons, rods, stroker kit, 2.9, whatever, right? Big single, 6 boost manifold, Hall Tech. We got the Tesla controller. Got a lot of things for the car. We got a lot of new things. Like we got brand new brake cylinder, booster, whatever the case. Man, we got just a whole bunch of shit for the car. I got new belts, everything, radiator hoses, all that good jam for the car, man. So after that, after the car goes down there and gets built, everything gets done to it. I'll be sending the car up there to my dad so that the car can get painted, because she does need some body work, as y'all can see right here, man. So I'm not ashamed of, man. Show the car's imperfections. We got a little rust spot right there, and then we got some body damage right here as well. The guy that I got it from before, his dog jumped up on the car trying to chase some mice or a rat or something of that nature. And then we got a little bit over here as well. But that's the only bad thing. That's wrong with really the body of the car. It got a little fading on it, like on the back of the spoolie here. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it does have some fading. I got all new motor for the windows as well. We're gonna get some new wheels for the girl. So yeah, man. Hope that y'all look forward to the build like I am. And we're gonna make a lot of content with this. So I'm gonna get the 360 camera. We're gonna put it up there, man. We're gonna race. We're gonna road race. We're gonna drag race. We're gonna see what it does at autocross. We're gonna maybe take it to a track or two, see what it does, and we're just gonna have fun with the build. So yeah, man. So we turned a bad thing into a positive thing. Like I said, the car hasn't had a rod knock for a very, very long time now. Maybe like a month or two. I haven't really driven the car like that. I think in my last video, it did have a slight rod knock. I was hearing it, but I didn't know exactly what it was until I really dig deep into it to really see. But hey, man, it is what it is. Like I said, the car's getting built anyway, so I'm not too mad about that. So when it goes there and it comes back, it will be better. It will be better. But for the time now, I do drive it occasionally just to, put a couple miles on it. I don't like to let these cars, don't let these cars sit, man, because more shit will start to fuck with it. So I drive it every now and then. I try not to drive it as much as I was just because of that rod knock situation. But tonight when we go out, I will drive it. Try to be easy on the car, but the sound of it, I like to hear it. So yeah. So right now, I'm about to probably head out to the bowling alley or do something fun with my kids or some shit like that. And yeah, we'll probably hit up this car meet later and these fucking pajamas or some shit. And I'll get y'all some content when we get there. You dig what I'm saying? But yeah, man. If you made it this far in the video, man, make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. You know what I'm saying? We get to 500 subscribers. Told y'all I'm gonna give y'all a giveaway. So probably gonna do something like a steering wheel, something of that nature, something that's universal that, some of you car guys can put inside your cars. I don't know. Leave a comment down what you think I should do the giveaway on. I was thinking like maybe like a steering wheel, shift knob, some of that nature. Nothing like too crazy expensive, but like I said, I love my subscribers, so I'll go ahead and get y'all something nice. You know what I'm saying? I'll get y'all like an RD or NRG steering wheel, something nice. So yeah, just let me know. Comment down below. And yeah, man, so we're gonna go ahead and get some content later. I'll see y'all when we get there.